that fucked up girl. So now I sell my love for opium. Wow, yeah. In some rat-infested Chinese sky. At night I burn myself with cigarettes, just to somehow prove I'm still alive. 8 months later, I catch typhoid flu. Picked out, I see the ugly light of day. Dying in an alley, a priest kneels down to
Now, Charlie, do you have any final words to the Lord you'd like to say?
we tell him that like him I choose to burn out rather than fade away.